How to delete apps on Chromebook. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how you can delete or uninstall Chromebook apps. In order to delete or uninstall Chromebook apps, you'll need to first make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, open up your Windows tab. On the Windows tab here, you can see these are all the Chromebook apps. If you want to uninstall it or to delete it, so all you have to do is just right click on the mouse. After that, click on uninstall button. For the confirmation, tap on uninstall, and as you can see, the particular application has been uninstalled. If you want to do it so for all of the app that is not available right over here, you'll need to type on the search bar and then you'll be able to locate it. But if you want to delete all of the application or all of the installed app, go to settings, to apps from the left side bar, and here you need to tap install. See all the apps that are installed on our Chrome. So to uninstall it, just tap on the right click on your mouse or tap on the three dot icon located right in the corner, just like this, and click on uninstall. Once again, for the confirmation, tap on uninstall. Go through all of the application and then do the same procedure for rest of the apps. So in this way you can delete uninstall apps on Chromebook. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.